Welcome to Memory Medallion. In this video, we will walk you through the process of placing an order with Memory Medallion's online store. To get started, visit our website at www.memorymedallion.com. Now that we're here, let's take a look at the products available for order. The details for all of our available products are located under the Our Products section of our website. Here you can view the various types of medallions and other products that we offer. Visit any product page here to find details such as size, price, and a sample image of the product. When you are ready to order, click the Order Here button on the top right of our website's navigation bar. This is Memory Medallion's store, where you can choose your products, set the quantity, and manage your cart. If you are purchasing a custom case cover or a dog tag, you will also be prompted to upload the image to be laser-etched. Under many of the products are options to include companion products. Before moving any further, let's discuss exactly what the difference is between an item and its companion. Our full-price medallions are each attached to their own unique story, QR code, and serial number. In addition, we offer duplicate medallions at a discount, which we call companions. These are for customers who want copies or multiple versions of the same exact medallion story. For example, a large open-faced medallion for installing in a tombstone, and a duplicate small open-faced medallion for a photo frame at home. These medallions have the same QR code and will be under the same serial number. The story is built under that one serial number, and all of the companion medallions will also connect to it. Now that I've added all of my items to the cart, I'll go to the next step. While viewing your cart, you'll have the opportunity to enter a promotional code. If you have one, type it in and apply it to receive your discount. Click Continue Shopping to add more items, or check out to pay and complete your order. When prompted, either log in using your account name and password, or, if you're new to Memory Medallion, create your account. Your medallions will appear in your account shortly after confirmation of purchase. In 10 to 15 business days from the date of your order, we will ship the medallions with instruction cards labeled with serial numbers. These cards will explain how to build the story and install the Memory Medallion. We hope that this video has been helpful for you. If you require further assistance, more information can be found in the support and FAQ sections of our website. You are also welcome to contact us with any questions. We will be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Memory Medallion.